Hi crafters, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm just coming to you with a very quick haul video with Tonic Studios products, of course, my favorite. And I just want to alert you to the fact that on Fridays Tonic Studios has their bundle sales, and that's when you can take advantage of some really amazing prices. So if you're on the lookout for some new items that maybe you haven't tried before, or you just want to experiment, or maybe you're new to 3D crafting, then I invite you to take advantage of the links in the description bar of my video, where it'll take you directly to Tonic Studios. If you want to go ahead and select the little image that will say bundles or Friday deals, that sort of thing, it'll take you exactly to what I'm referring to, and you'll be able to take advantage of some of the deals available this week. They do change weekly. They also have Sunday deals that go from Sunday to Sunday, etc. So I wanted to share with you this particular bundle here. It came with this classic card that is navy blue, and it's 80-pound cardstock that has a weave texture on one side and then smooth texture on the other. And this comes with a total of 10 sheets, perfect for card making or even for layering. Then it came with this adorable stencil from Tonic Studios, and it has this rose pattern, which is, I think, very universal. You can use it on the background of just about anything. And it did come with 3 colors of embellishment mousse, which I absolutely love using. This one was in cornflower blue. It's got a perfect color for spring there. Also this one, which is lilac lavender. And these can be used very intensely, just like you see in the jars, or you can lighten them up because they're water-based. So you can use them like watercolor if you like, and just get a nice pearlescent sheen on your paper. Or you can apply them with a stencil really thick if you want to. The third one here is actually spring green. So perfect colors for, say, like Mother's Day cards or that sort of thing. The next item that I got that was on my wish list, and this is not a new release, but it's fairly new. I mean, in retail, everything goes so quickly, right? So this is the Treat Yourself gift box die set. You may have seen it around, so it'll be my first time playing around with it. And yes, it does fill up with candy, and you can use the little mechanism to allow the recipient to kind of get a little portion there at a time, which I think is so super cute. That does come with a total of 30 dies. So of course, if you have a set like that that has the layering pieces as you see here, that means that you can certainly use those pieces on a card, for instance. And so they're very versatile and they play well with one another. For instance, the little sentiment here, treat yourself, the little octagon there, little pieces like that, the layering rectangles that you see here on side panels, there's no reason why you couldn't make a set of cards, for instance, with those same panels and make a nice little gift item there. I'm super excited about this next one here, and this is the Whimsical wheelbarrow. I thought this would be wonderful for weddings or for Mother's Day, for birthday, just about any time of the year also, because you can do the garden theme, but you can also make it into a masculine project depending on the colors that you use. So I thought this was super cool, and it comes like this with a lot of different types of flowers and kind of fronds, and also the little sign, which of course you can use individually, as well as the wheel. So that's going to be fun to play with. And then this little portion here that creates the stand, to me looks also like a little fence. So it's all in how you play around with the dies. This is 39 dies in that set. And the last but not least that I received in this purchase was the Delightful Decadence Hexagon gift box. Now, if you know anything about me, I absolutely love hexagons. My husband and I do beekeeping, so we have a lot of bee-themed items in our home. In fact, I have one living room that I decorate strictly with, not strictly, but I should say I try to incorporate a lot of little bee themed items there, or birds as well. So that's for another time, but I really wanted to get my hands on this to incorporate it with other existing dies that I have from Tonic Studios. So be looking forward to that. And this one, does have the side panels to create a box, and then the top also serves as the bottom portion of the box. And there's another set that is compatible, I would say, with the style, and it is not a hexagon, it's a square box. And I don't think here's the picture down here. So if you want to take a look at that, of course you can grab it as a bundle. I just grabbed this one individually, and this one does have 17 dies, but of course, as I mentioned before, you could use it for card making, you can use it for your mini albums. It doesn't have to be for a box. So I look forward to sharing with you what I get inspired to make, and I hope that you can join me on my channel. And of course, if you do like the content, I would ask that you please leave me a thumbs up. It would help my channel. And if you want to share my channel with anyone else, I would be delighted if you do that. And of course, if you use my links for any purchases, you don't have to pay any more. You just leave me a tiny little percentage of commission that then allows me to bring you better content on my channel, which is something that I aspire to do, of course. But at the end of the day, I hope that you can just be inspired and be blessed. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.